Okay, so hello people. So let's solve today's LeetCode daily question, that is 1913, maximum product difference between two pairs. And the product difference between two pairs A, B and C and D is defined as A into B minus C into D. For example, the product difference between 5, 6 and 2, 7 is 5 into 6 minus 27. Okay. So what we have to do in the question, we are asked to return the maximum product difference. Okay. Yeah, okay. So what we can conclude that the maximum product difference between will be the product of two numbers minus the product of two small numbers. Okay. So we can firstly let's find the length of the nums, that is equal to nums dot length, and then what we can do, we can just sort the array. Okay, and then let's say maximum product will be equal to nums n minus 1 into nums n minus 2. Okay, and similarly and minimum will be equal to nums 0 into nums 1. Okay, so at the end what we'll do, we'll just return max minus min. So now let's run it, and it works fine. Okay, and now let's submit it, and it gets submitted. Okay, so after sorting, what we'll be having the minimum, we'll be sorting in the increasing order, so the minimum will be the first two elements and the maximum product will be from the last two elements. So the minimum product will be from the first two elements, so num 0 into nums 1, and then nums n minus 1 into nums n minus 2 will give me the maximum product. Then simply return max minus min. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.